people are going to be scrambling to get their credit cards during Black Friday, Cyber Monday weekend. And today we're going to get you prepared for those big days. What is up, everyone? Welcome to another Shopify video. I'm Shri Kanase, and today we're going to be discussing one of the biggest sale days in this year, actually in every single year. The sales start to increase when Christmas starts to get closer and closer, but during Black Friday and Cyber Monday weekend, the sales go above the board. This is when you either make the most profit that you have since you began your Shopify store, or it could be the day that you lose a lot of money. And you may be thinking, what do you mean lose a lot of money? How do people even lose money during this weekend? And don't worry about it. We're going to be going over exactly how people lose money later on in the video. But if you guys are new to the channel, like always, make sure to smash that subscribe button down below. Again, we're growing extremely fast and you're gonna get to stay up to date with the content that I put out for Shopify basically every week. And without further ado, let's just jump right into it. Alright guys, so people overcomplicate things when it comes to getting ready for Black Friday. They think they have to do this and that and everything in between in order to really be prepared for Black Friday. But there are only a few things that you should be focusing on. Remember, when you divert your attention from one single thing to multiple different things, nothing is perfect. Everything is a little bit of good here and there, but that is not what we want. We want to do a few things but have them so good that they exceed anything else that we do. So in this video, I'm going to be going over a few things that you can do but should focus 100% of your energy and time on in order to really maximize your profits during Black Friday. So at the time of making this video, there's about a week left for Black Friday, and that is ample amount of time to get prepared. But the first thing that we really want to start preparing for Black Friday starts with your website. So we're going to be optimizing your website for Black Friday. So when it comes to website optimizations, there are a few key things that you need to do in order to really get prepared for Black Friday. And the first thing is changing the header, which is basically the announcement bar at the very top. And this depends on whether your theme allows an announcement bar at top or not. But if it does allow announcement bars, then you need to implement it right away, and you want to change the header of the website to include something about a special Black Friday sale that you're going to start 2 to 4 days before the actual event. For maximum profit, you want to do it 2 days before. But I have an example here of an announcement that you can make, something like Super Black Friday sale, and then you have a little line to separate this part from the right one. And in the right side, you want to write something like use coupon code XX for % off. The percentage could depend on you. It could be 20% off, or if you really want to go crazy, it could be 40% off. But later on in the video, I'm going to be talking about how anything above 30% or even 40% could be really harmful for your business. But this is the general template that you want to use about 2 days before Black Friday, just to get people ready and to start using the coupon code. But one important thing that you want to do is you want to have a time limit for this coupon code. So exactly at 12 a.m. the next day after Black Friday has ended, you want the coupon to expire. So this adds that little bit of scarcity which you need in order to get people to really purchase something from you. Apart from that, what you also want to do is go ahead to your item descriptions, at least for the items that are selling the most on your Shopify store, and include this special coupon code in the description as well, and let the customers know that this is a special Black Friday sale that has a time limit and is going to end soon. So for anyone that does not get to glance at the announcement bar, they can go ahead and use the coupon code by looking at it in the description. But this is a super effective way to really get your sales up and going, especially before Black Friday. And you can implement this same strategy for Cyber Monday. After Black Friday has ended, you can change the announcement to something like Super Cyber Monday sale or anything else that you want. And there are only 2 things here, but if you really focus on getting these 2 things right, you're going to really maximize your sales during Black Friday and also get an increased amount of profit. But moving on to our second thing on the to-do list is emails. So if you already have a winning product and you don't have email marketing set up, you're going to be losing a fat stack of bills on the table. You're leaving all of that money on the table just because you don't have email marketing set up. I have a video on how to set up email marketing. The link should have popped up in the top right. Do check that out, but especially make sure that you set up email marketing before Black Friday. Whenever you watch this video, you want to have email marketing set up because emails play a really big role when it comes to holidays and events such as Black Friday and Cyber Monday. The main thing that we really start to do with emails before Black Friday, and specifically 3 to 5 days before, is start sending emails getting your email list prepared for Black Friday. You can let them know about the cool new items that you have added or the special sales that are about to come with Black Black Friday. Basically getting the email list ready for Black Friday. And in the morning of Black Friday, you want to send your email list a special coupon that they can use on Black Friday. Usually on Black Friday, a bunch of other businesses start sending emails, so you really want to get your timing right for emails on Black Friday, or they're going to go ignored. Usually the best time to send emails on Black Friday is either 12 hours before Black Friday or in the morning of Black Friday. You do not want to send it at 10 a.m. or 12 p.m. of Black Friday because it is going to go ignored. People are out shopping and just spending their money, so nobody has time to check emails once passes a specific time in the day. So make sure to get your timing right for your emails and start notifying your list about the sales that are to come. Third and final thing that you really need to get prepared for in order to have an amazing Black Friday Cyber Monday weekend is through your social media. On events such as these ones, social media really benefits you because it lets you reach a large amount of people who are already interested in your brand and whatever you have to post. So when it comes to social media during the Black Friday week, what you want to do is slowly start posting content related to Black Friday. It could be something, a special image or fact about Black Friday, or it could be a coupon, or it could be just a photo of all the items on your store, and in the text, you could let them know that the Black Friday sale is coming soon. Basically, whatever you can do in order to prepare your social media followers for the Black Friday sale. So in this way, we're utilizing not only emails and our website, but also the people who already follow us. And these are the people who have shown interest in our brand already. So the highest amount of ROI can come through your social media account. So make sure to really take your time creating quality images which can really benefit your customers and yourself as a Shopify store owner. And now let's talk about the bad side of Black Friday and how you can lose a lot of money. So what happens is a lot of people kind of go crazy on Black Friday. They think they need to offer the biggest discounts possible in order to make the highest amount of sales and lure the highest amount of customers to their store. But what they forget is that in the end, profit is king. Without profit, the sales that they get are merely just numbers on a computer screen. And personally, what I have noticed is that when people offer mega discounted sales, 40% off, 50% off, 60% off, instead of making profit, they end up losing a bunch of money because their prices are already not that high, and plus the discount makes the profit margins even lower. And sometimes what also happens is that the items that people buy on Black Friday don't always arrive before Christmas due to a large amount of orders already getting handled by ePacket and China Post, and this leads to a lot of chargebacks. So not only are you losing your initial money from that order, but you're also losing money through the fees that come through chargebacks. During such events, you really want to play it smart. Don't go overboard with the sales because you will lose money instead of make money. One special strategy that you can do is increase the price on your store for the products by a few dollars and then offer a big coupon code. Because usually most customers are new customers coming through your advertisements. They do not know what the original prices were. So this is an amazing way to gain more money and more sales by first increasing the price of at least your best sellers and then offering a special Black Friday coupon code. So these were just a few things that you can really focus on and basically target in order to really make a killing on Black Friday. It is really possible to make triple figures on Black Friday. So if you follow these techniques, you will 100% get $50,000 or more on Black Friday Cyber Monday. But make sure to really focus on these ones and get them 100% correct or as best as you can. But if you guys found any type of value in this video, make sure to leave a like down below. It really motivates me to put out even more videos just like these ones. And go out there and make a killing in Black Friday. I'll see you guys next time.